Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to uninstall system update on Android phone to bring default system version. Okay, to uninstall system update on Android phone, the first thing you have to do is opening your settings application. So you can tap on the settings application to open it. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the general management setting. Tap on the general management setting. Then we can click on the reset, because if we want to bring default system version to our Android phone, we have to reset the Android phone. So we can tap on reset. Then we can click on factory data reset. Then we can scroll down. Just scroll down until you find the reset button. Then you can tap on this button to uninstall system update on your Android phone. And right after you tap on this button, your phone will be back to its default system version. And I guess that's how we can uninstall system update on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.